This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your keyboard and mouse on your iPad, and this is actually really easy way to do. Now there's two different ways you can do this and accomplish this. Now the first way I'm going to show you is just with USB. If you have a little USB to USB-C adapter, you can plug in devices directly to it. So I have this USB hub where I have 4 additional slots, and I have a mouse keyboard plugged in right here. And then I can just plug this into the bottom of my iPad, and it makes it really easy to do. And then I can plug in something wired. So I should be able to move my mouse around. So you can see this on the screen right now. I have a little mouse cursor. And if I go to, I don't know, the Internet Explorer or something like that, I should be able to start typing. So if I go to the note here, maybe I can open this up and just continue. Now the other way is via Bluetooth, and this works too. What you want to do is just swipe on down, or just go to the home screen here and go to settings. Then go to Bluetooth and connect this. And then look for your device under the Bluetooth settings right here. Now you have to figure out how to put this into the Bluetooth pairing mode or syncing mode. And this could be quite troublesome, because every device has a different way to do this. So you might have to hold down on like the Windows button, or there might be a specific Bluetooth button. But once you have it in the Bluetooth pairing mode, you can just come here, tap on it, and you should be able to connect it. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.